going to whiten my teeth. So let me do that. Let me show you guys. I got the MySmile kit, and the kit includes the MySmile mouth guard, and then I have the 3 syringes. This is the chart for the teeth, the thing to put the syringe on, the instructions, and then the battery pack. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you guys how I do it. 1 second. So I'm going to apply it to the top and the bottom. Okay, I cleaned it. So this is going to be my first day using it. It says don't use it longer than 14 days. So this comes out. This goes in. And then this is the tapa for that. Okay, I got this. Now I'm going to put 0.5 on the top and the bottom. So I'm nervous. So I gotta keep my eye on this. So it's a half. I don't want to put too much. Ooh. Okay. And then I'm gonna smear it. Okay, so 0.5 on the top and the bottom. And since I have a toddler running around, I gotta put this away like ASAP. Gone. Now I'm going to insert it in and turn the light on and put my timer for 10 minutes. So, day 1. Day 3 of my Whitener smile. Oh, crud. Hold on.
I'm telling you.
Day 3. So here's my. Oh, let me turn on my mirror, my vanity. Okay. So here's my teeth. Day 3. I want to get rid of this brown in the middle here, and then there's like a little discoloration up here going on, and then down here. So we're gonna see. Day 3. I'm excited.
Will these shorts work? Or no?
What are you touching? Thank you, baby. Okay. Make sure I smear it evenly. Put my tapa back on. Oh, that's not it. My tapa back on. hair is it's raining, it's all humid, so don't mind that. But today is day 4. So I'm gonna get this started so I can do my teeth. I'm tired and it's not coming out.